The most dangerous principle: making people dependent on you. Why do people take you lightly? One of the most dangerous principles in life is this: trying to make people dependent on you. You want them to need you in every decision, every move, every struggle. You want to feel powerful, because without you, they can't move forward. But here's the truth: this is not real strength. This is weakness disguised as power. Where does real power come from? Real power lies in making people strong enough to stand on their own. When they respect you not because they need you, but because you empowered them. When you keep someone constantly under your shadow, they never grow. And the day they want freedom, the first person they'll stand against is you. Why do people take you lightly? People take you lightly when you try too hard to make yourself indispensable. You solve all their problems. You constantly hold them up. You turn their weaknesses into your control. But remember this: a person who depends on you today will resent you tomorrow, because human nature craves freedom, not dependency. How to make yourself valuable. If you want people to take you seriously, don't trap them in need. Lift them with strength. 1. Let them use their own abilities. 2. Teach them self-reliance. 3. Guide, don't control. 4. Build yourself so unique that they respect your presence, not your pressure. When people see that you raise others instead of suppressing them, they will never take you lightly. The final truth: forcing people to depend on you gives you temporary power but permanent weakness. Helping people become free gives you eternal respect and real strength. People take you lightly only when you lower your own value, by making yourself their crutch instead of their guide. Real greatness is not in creating dependence. It is in igniting the light inside others so they can walk their own path with strength.